junkfoodtaster.com, and in this video I check out a TikTok gummy bear recipe, and actually I check out multiple things at the same time. Here I've got the gummy bears here, and I've got also this trolley. Trolley is softer than Haribo, I think. And for soaking up, I've got actually 3 different soft drinks. I've got cola, Sprite, and my favorite lemonade. So I prepare the baths. Here we go. I have actually 5 hours for soaking up. It feels very random. It's a very random thing to do, to putting some soda into a bowl. Okay. Also I will do it with 5 hours soaking up, and then frosting is like the time I have right now. So these are little trolley gummy candies. Actually, do they have a shape? They look like little bunnies. So put them in here. And here we go. Also some gummy bears. Yeah, TikTok video is like very short. My video is very long. And I prepared the second bath of Sprite in order to check out whether gummy mixture affects the taste. I think it's far too much soda. I'm wasting all the soda. Sounds very funny. Okay, and the others. Cola. And lemonade is like flavor exotic, tastes very good. Yeah. So what's this? Can you see there's something on the surface? Can you see it? Yeah. Looks disgusting. I did. Do you remember the video where there was the cola and I cooked out the Coca-Cola? I think the second time I like tried to copy a trend. So yeah, there are actually viral food trends. Also this Dubai chocolate. But I'm kind of lazy to hop on the trends. Yeah. The sound is crazy. Anyways, I come back in 5 hours and then I put it into the freezer. Then I sleep and then make a taste test. That's the plan. Okie dokie. So 2 hours have passed and I decided to check back on the gummy bears. We also see how much time is enough for the first step. I get some samples, maybe also one of these from Trolley. Oh, you couldn't see, here they are. Look super slimy. I should have one. I should have one for comparison, but fun fact, I've eaten everything. But I still got some Trolley for comparison. So. This will be a super chilled long episode. Here, look at this. It already doubled its size, I would say. So, gummy bear. Quite interesting. Tastes good actually. Has like a hardcore. Quite funny. Oh, you couldn't. It's quite funny. So you got the slimy outside, you bite in and have a hardcore. Let's see if the hardcore disappears. I could cut one. What is this? Okay. Always cut stuff. Now I zoom in. There we go. Maybe I still have time until I go to bed. So, can we see something here on the cut? Now the trolleys. Okay. So it seems the trolley gummy candy sort of totally changed the flavor. Tastes kind of disgusting. Okay. Anyways, I think 2 more hours and then we put it into the freezer. Okay, but now I decided I want to know how the other tastes, how the cola tastes in 2 hours state. No, Sprite is definitely better. More my special. Sprite is perfect. Okay. Okie dokie, so over 4 hours have passed now. It's time to check out whether the gummy bears are completely soft now. I hope so. So I'm putting them in the colander here. And they look really funny and grown. They're grown up now. So let's eat one. No, not really. But I go a little hardcore. But I go with it. I could also do the size comparison. One last time here. Yeah. Anyways, I ask myself, can I see what was what? I definitely want to know what was what afterwards. So I'm preparing like the bright ones now onto this plate here. Okay, so yeah, I've got limited space in the freezer, and that's why I decided now to do not like a recipe. I pile it up and freeze it to brick. So it's even I make an anti-cooking, even more anti-cooking. I like the slimy feeling of them. I want to try out the trolley again. That tastes very different. Anyways, now more Sprite. We just have to remember that the Sprite ones are at the bottom. Is it already full here? Okay. Okay. Now the cola. Maybe they look different. Yeah, look at this. They all got brown. Brown bears now. How does it taste? When it's all frozen, then I... So anyways, last one. The favorite lemonade one. Oopsie. Super slimy, it's slippery. Slippery bear. I'm not quite sure how long it will take for them to freeze. I hope that like 12 hours are enough. I'm not quite sure. Alrighty, and you know me. Of course I will try some of this soda here, gummy bear, cola, Sprite thing. Cheers. That's very fruity. Yeah, it's drinkable. Anyways. Alrighty, so here we are at the fridge, which is next to the oven. Here's stuff. Here, look at this. Wow. Pulled chicken. I have that really nice stuff in my fridge. Yeah, expensive sandwich from Italy. And look at this. This will be an episode, or maybe in the past or future. I'm sort of pre-producing right now. Everything is mixed up. Okay. I place them here on these pizzas. See, I hope it will be enough 12 hours. See you later. If not, we do longer. So, here we go. 12 hours have passed. Let's check out what our little gummy bears are doing. Okay. Yeah. Looks very much frozen. Yeah, let's have them. Oh, here we go. Let's get them. Okay. Slime is not frozen. Sort of disgusting. It's disgusting frozen slime. Yeah. And there's no point in this recipe. Yeah. You get the slime you get in the mouth. Sort of weird. So when it is slimy, just in the Sprite, they were funny. But this slime is disgusting. Yeah. I guess I want to get the brick out. So I guess I will wait. I will rub here a little bit. I will wait for a minute and hope I can then separate the gummy bear brick from my little ceramic bowl. So, okie dokie. Here comes the first attempt to get it out. That's a very random feeling. Only on my channel. Look at this. Yeah, I see the point in letting them soften in Sprite. This is cool. But then freezing them again, yeah. It doesn't feel like ice cream. It feels like you are like just heating up the gummy bear. Yeah. There is a reason why only certain types of food are eaten like cold. Yeah. You can also eat like a cold pizza. Doesn't make sense. Yeah. They still have a hard core, since just was in the liquid for like, what, 4.5 hours or something. Because now frozen, the core in the middle is harder than. Yeah, this is a super ridiculous recipe. I could like. It doesn't taste that fruity anymore. I could like separate a little bit, so at least I have a nice thumbnail. And I may also want to get one of these trolleys. So this was basically a multi-dimensional review. Different sodas, different gummy candies. Not the regular soften in time. Hey, where do I find one of these trolley things? All gummy bears. Maybe these are the ones where break apart. It seems that some of the stuff rips. This seems to be something. Yeah. It seems the trolley recipe is not that tight, and you have to take the tight Haribo burrs. Doesn't work with anything else. Yeah, this must be trolley. This is super soft. Okay. Anyway. Hey. Yeah, I don't see a point in this recipe. But I liked, I didn't already mention it. I liked slimy gummy bears in Sprite. This was cool. With a little hard core. I actually throw it away. I don't want to eat this. Hey, okie dokie. Let's clean up a little bit here. Of course, this is all soda. Super. Will be maybe not. Yeah, it will be a cleaning job basically. Okay, logbook. Here we go. I have this thing where I write it down. So this will be a Friday episode. And so these were frozen gummy bears. And then I write down soften it in soft drinks first. Okay. Do I want to do this? I put the whole brick now in my mouth. Okay. Super. It's cold. It's cold and disgusting. Oh. Oh. Bah. So, thanks for watching. See you soon.